Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 7067. It's ran from the 10th 2015 to the current shape. Here's a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by its 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,